Hi guys, welcome to another Brit in the Philippines. This video has been prompted by a lot of questions about how did I get from 107 kilos to 76 kilos. I'm 5'10", guys, so you can work out the kind of weight I've lost for my height. And I just want to show you the stuff I've been eating and give you an idea of what I've done to lose all that weight. So I want to start by the ingredients I've got here is a blend of different things, and I only do this twice a week. I only eat twice a day. I never eat after 6, and I never eat before 12 in the afternoon. So that's just 2 meals. Now, I mostly eat meat and fat and other things, but we'll get onto that in a bit. So this is the before picture, guys. And this is the after picture. So let's start and show you the blend I do. This is only about twice a week, guys, not every day, because you don't want to be doing it every day. You need meat, you need fat, right? You need plenty of eggs. So the first ingredient is milk, full cream milk. Only that much. Don't do any more than that. After that, we've got very, very good for you chia seeds. The chia seeds are a must. They're good protein. They're good for the brain. What you should do, guys, to be fair, but I don't do it, is soak the chia seeds at least an hour or so before you use them in some water. But I don't do that. 4 eggs. Without the white, just the yolk. Don't use the white because some people have a reaction to it. I did. I was covered in a rash. Now I'm not. Now this for me, guys, has always been trial and error, right? Now I'm not saying, by the way, I'm not a doctor. I'm not giving you advice. This is what I eat. This is how I got to where I am now. I'm sure there's some would-be doctors out there who'll have a different opinion. We're all entitled to opinions, but this works for me, okay? Avocado. What I did was I got a lot of avocados, opened them all, mixed them, put them in these trays, put them in the freezer. They last forever. The other thing is walnuts, but you have to soak them overnight, guys, and get all the bad stuff out of them. Walnuts, good for you, good for the brain. Next, a banana, but only this size, guys. If you eat too many bananas, it raises your insulin levels. It's not good. If your insulin's high, you can't lose weight. Forget about calories and all the rest of it. When you do what I'm doing, and the rest of the week you're eating meat, you're not even going to feel hungry. Your brain's going to fire on all cylinders. If you suffer from depression, your depression's going to go. Honestly, I suffered from depression. I have no depression now whatsoever. I'm putting all my effort into this and looking forward into the future. This is the new Chris. You'll never see the fat Chris again. So anyway, banana. Next, protein powder. However, I won't get any more of this protein powder because I don't need it. I'm just using it to get rid of it. I won't buy any more of it because I was told it wasn't, it was sugar-free. In actual fact, it's not. So unless you can get sugar-free protein powder, don't use protein powder. Next is creatine. Creatine is a must, but creatine without sugar, if it's going to cost you a bit more, it's worth every penny, guys. Where is it? This is the other creatine I've got. It has no sugar in it. It tastes, there's no taste to it. But it's better than this creatine, but I'm using it. Now, guys, I'm not putting it in the shake. What I normally do is I get a spoonful and I just put it in my mouth, right? It diverts the water you're drinking into your muscle, right? Because people are commenting saying, oh, you're taking steroids, and no, I don't take that rubbish. Now these are great. One's quinoa and the other one's flaxseed. Now what I do is I grind the seeds down to a powder, right? Because if you just eat the seeds or put them in there, they just go straight through your body. There's no goodness from them. You just pull them out. So it's the same. So it's the same amount with everything, guys. You just get a teaspoon, put it in. That's the quinoa. This is the flaxseed. You can see it's just a powder, guys, now. Just no more seed. Teaspoon. And then we've got maca. This tastes really good and it's good for the body. Again, teaspoon, guys. Very important, guys, cinnamon. It's a must. Teaspoon again. Your cinnamon. Now, the thing with the turmeric is, guys, if you don't put pepper in, now the thing with the turmeric is, guys, if you don't put pepper in, great ground pepper, then it's not going to go into your body, you know. It's just, you're just going to poo it out. You've got to put pepper in. I'll put lots because I love pepper, but just put about at least 6 times round with the pepper. And then after you've done that, that's it. So we just add some water. This will last me all day, guys. I just go for a drink before I lift or exercise, whatever. Now we blend it. I'll be doing it for a long time, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is delicious. Absolutely delicious. Now, what you do is just put the rest in the fridge. Don't seal the top, just put it on to, you know, cover it. You can keep it in the fridge till the following morning, but don't keep it in the fridge any longer because it will go off. If you seal the top will explode. So don't do that. Oh, it's lovely and creamy, man. It's absolutely excellent. Excellent. Love it. The maca powder, you can taste the maca. Well, you can taste most of the ingredients, but it's the best thing I have apart from the meat, the solid meat, the eggs. I love eggs. Absolutely love the eggs. You eat this stuff, the weight's going to drop off you guys. I'm telling you. But what you've got to do is intermittent fasting, and that's what I'm doing. That's what I mean by I don't eat when I get up in the morning. I don't eat till 12, and I never eat after 6 o'clock. That's your body fasting. It's giving your body time to heal. And you're producing ketones. The ketones clear all the bad cells out in your body, clears your brain cells. That's why you feel wonderful. You feel energized. You feel like a new person. I mean, I'm not the Chris from December time. I'm a totally different Chris. I can handle whatever comes my way, guys. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And I want you to be fit too. If you're in the Philippines, you need to be fit. Because if you end up in hospital, it's going to cost you a fortune. Now, look, again, I'm not trying to say I'm smarter than you, but you can see the results. Right, guys, there's going to be 3 videos. In video 2, I'm going to show you the vitamins I take and the food I eat and basically how I prepare it. Video 3, I'm going to show you how I exercise and how my body's changed. So watch all videos, guys. I'm sure they're going to be interesting, especially if you're an overweight guy or was an overweight guy like me. You need to lose weight in the Philippines. It's too hot and you'll live longer. See you on the next one, guys. So if you've enjoyed this video, guys, please subscribe. Please hit that like button. Make sure the notification bells hit and leave a comment. But apart from that, bless you all. See you on the next video.